Good day, Madam, Sir. I am Angelica Enriquez, 34 years old, from Philippines, married but separated for 8 years and had 2 children. Currently, I have a living partner with 1 child. I had experience in Dubai from 2013 to 2016. My duties there are cleaning, washing, ironing, and take care of kids from newborn to 10 years old. I also worked in Saudi Arabia from 2021 to 2023. My duties there are cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. Madam, sir, if you hire me as your housemaid, I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities as long as I can. Thank you and God bless you.